Let's try this again. The camera froze. This problem did not say anything about the initial position being somewhere different than at t equals 0. So technically this is just 0. It's silly to even write that in. The integral from 0 to 3, I already did that. It represents the area of the triangle. Again, I'm sorry, it's not the area. It's the integral, so it's -9. That is the particle's position. When does the particle pass through the origin? We already got the answer from there, but let's write down calculus work. When does the particle pass through the origin? So we want, I'm going to write it here because we're running out of space. We know that the integral from 0 to 3, vt dt, plus the integral from 3 to what? vt dt. If it passes through the origin, then its position must be 0. If it passes through the origin, so its position must be 0. Common sense, it went left 9, and then the next 3 seconds it went right 9, so it's back where it started, so the answer is 6. Calculus requires this integral to be shown. You want the integral to come out to be 0, so this upper limit is at t equals 6. FE is really easy, so I'm going to skip it just to save some time. I'm going to go on to F. One is the particle moving toward the origin. Again, all of this I think explained it. And it really doesn't matter if you said that from 0 to 3 you were going this way. It doesn't matter. One is the particle moving toward the origin, so not from 0 to 3, because it's going away from the origin. So away from the origin, this part. From, I'll do the normal notation, from t to 3 and less than 0, that's when it's going away. And then going towards the origin, am I doing this right? Yep, towards the origin is from 3 to 6. And then once I go back to like home base, my starting position, this part in the pink, I'm going further away from the origin. So away from the origin, not only this, and from 6 to 9. All right, last one. On which side of the origin does the particle lie at time t equals 9? So to find like basically the position of the particle, we're going to go integrate from 0 to 9, vt dt. And now, you know that the integral, that this is going to produce a negative answer, but this is larger, so the integral comes out to be greater than 0. Because this is greater than 0, because the area from 0 to 3, v of t dt, is smaller than this top area, which is from 3 to 9, vt dt. Because this is larger than that, my integral will come out to be positive, and if my integral is positive, the answer is on which side of the origin does it lie? The positive side. That's the answer. Okay, thanks for watching.